Hey everybody, it's Jeff with Lodder's Marine, and we're down here at the 2015 Cincinnati Travel and Boat Show. We're going to walk around our booth here. Got a very large display of boats: Yamaha, Monterey, Bennington, and Cobalt. We've had a great show so far. We'd like to see you stop down here. Take a look at what we've got on display. All new 2015 models. A lot of these boats have new features exclusive to 2015. New colors for Yamaha, as well as some new features in the 24-foot lineup. There's our 24s. Take a walk over here and wave at Randy and Scotty.
Hey, Jeff.
What's happening, guys?
How you doing?
Good.
All right.
Just walking around, giving everybody a little glimpse of what we've got down here this year.
Awesome. Great show, everybody. Get a good shot. Scotty. We got Scotty here.
There he is.
New glasses on.
Yeah, buddy. Take a walk through our Monterey booth. Again, all 2015 models. So 186, 96, 204 and on up. So 288 SS. Really great boat. Nice arch, great aesthetics. Monterey builds a fantastic boat, and we've got them down here at the boat show. All right, we'll continue on through our Monterey display and see what else we have in store to show you here. Again, there's our Yamahas. We'll head on over to our Benningtons. That's a 22 SFX, the smoky granite and the regatta blue trim accent panels. Really sharp SFX. GSR. Climb up on our stage here. Again, these are all 2015 models showcased here at the 2015 Cincinnati Travel and Boat Show. We'll be down here Wednesday the 21st through Sunday. Coming up on our phenomenal looking windscreen Q series with the arch, tinted windshield. This is all new for Bennington, powered by that enormous 300 horse Yamaha. Man, what a setup. Just a great looking boat, awesome performer. We've got some Cobalts over here. We got a 220, 210, and 200. And then our full lineup of Cobalts, we have our 26 SD WSS model. And that boat, just not much can be said other than just absolutely awesome. It's breathtaking. Great looking boat. 24 SD, an A25 with an arch, and then the R lineup with your R3, 5, and 7. We have a really nice looking Cobalt display this year. Cobalt has done a great job with their new designs in their R series lineup. So just wanted to give you a little preview of what we've got down here. Again, all new 2015 models. We'd like to see you at the show, and if you have any questions about tickets or want to give us a call because you need some information on anything, give us a call, 1-800-873-6331. Check us out on our website at loddersmarine.com. Visit our Facebook page as well. Take care, everybody. We hope to see you down at the show.